Hey, it's that time of year. Fall is here. The wind's blowing. It's getting colder and getting ready to start freezing at night. So now it's time to winterize around the house. So the first thing we got to do is we're going to go ahead and winterize our fountain in the back. And some of the fountains actually have a drain plug in them. Mine doesn't. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use my P3240 Ryobi shop vac. Go ahead and suck this out. The other nice thing is you can actually do this during the season. If you need to clean out your fountain, you can use the same thing. So what we're going to do first is we'll always remove the actual filter for dry collection, and then we'll go ahead and get ready to pull out all the water and winterize and put it away for the winter. Top off. Going to remove the filter. Always make sure you've cleaned out everything inside so you don't get all kinds of mucky paste in there. So empty out all the dry material before you suck up any water. Put that back together and let's go ahead and clean it out. All right, so we've unplugged all the power and everything. Suction is down here. Depending on the size of your actual tank will depend on how many times you have to empty the water. This is a small size tank, so let's suck this out and get it ready for the winter. So after I've sucked everything out, the other thing I like to do is I go ahead and try and I'll lift the pump up. I don't disconnect from the hoses, and we're just going to suck out the water out of the actual pump. Take all our cords, wrap them up, and we'll go ahead and put it in the shed.